Hi, my name's Chris and I'm here in our Baxi Solutions Academy in Warwick. And in today's Training Tuesday, I will be showing you how to fault find within a wiring centre using a multimeter on S and Y plan systems. Engineers ask me regularly, how can we fault find on S and Y plan systems? Well, today we will be using a central location, be that our wiring centre, to fault find. It's of utmost importance before we start to use our proving unit and our multimeter to prove safe electrical isolation. Before we start, it's important that we understand how our components work within a sequence of operation. As we can see on our programmer, we have selected our hot water on via the continuous button. We send power to our cylinder thermostat. A switch is made. Power is sent to our 2-port valve. Within our 2-port valve, a switch is made, where power is sent to our pump and boiler. As we can see, we have selected the heating to come on via our continuous button. Power is sent to our room thermostat, where a switch is made. Power is sent to our 2-port valve. The 2-port valve moves over, and again, another switch is made. Power is then sent to our pump and boiler. Now we understand how our components work within a sequence, we can start chasing the power. We would like to see 240 volts within our clock, move into our stat, move into our 2-port, move into our pump and boiler. Using our multimeter, I will select volts AC. What we can see is we have a brown wire here coming from our programmer. We would like to see 240 volts. Power is then sent to our brown at our cylinder thermostat, where again we would like to see 240 volts. A switch is made within our stat, where power is then sent to our 2-port valve. Again, a switch is made and power is sent down our orange wire to our pump and boiler. Now we can put this into practice when fault finding. For the purpose of today, I've simulated a fault. By using our earth as a base, we can start chasing the power. We can see to our programmer, we should have 240 volts on our central heating side. The power should be sent to our room thermostat and we should see 240 volts. A switch is made within our room thermostat where power should be sent to our 2-port valve. At present, no power is being sent to our 2-port valve. This could indicate a fault with our room thermostat. Using the same principles, we can now test the components on our hot water circuit. We use our earth as a base. We see power being sent from our programmer. Power is sent to our cylinder stat. A switch is made internally within our cylinder stat, where power is sent to our 2-port valve. A switch is made internally within our 2-port valve, and power is sent to our pump and boiler. In this instance, we can see that each component is working and power is being chased through to the end goal of pump and boiler. Today we have shown you a quick and easy way of fault finding within our wiring centre using a multimeter. We can use a similar process when testing a Y plan system. For more information, contact your ASM or visit baxi.co.uk/training.